Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Target haul, and it's a small haul. I was going to buy a whole bunch of stuff, but they were getting ready to close. So anyway, this is the quick little haul. So let's get started. The very first thing I picked up at Target was a hairbrush. I needed another new hairbrush. I'm not 100% sure how this one will work. It's a little bit soft. For my liking. I don't want it too hard, but I don't want it too soft either. But this one seems okay. And this is from Cantu, which is a name brand. I used their hair products before. And this is the Cantu hairbrush. So I just picked that up at Target. And then I like to pick up their electric toothbrushes there because they're only $3.99. They're super cheap. So this is the electric toothbrush. Now, the other day I did a haul on a thrift store and I bought it brand new in the box. The water flosser from Sonicare. Oh my God. When I tried it, it freaked me out. The thing moves and it feels like it's hitting your tooth like really hard. And I don't want my, it hitting my teeth. And I didn't like it at all. So if you know a better way of using that, let me know down below. But anyway, I decided to pick up this yellow toothbrush. It's an electric one. They also have it in green, like a greenish blue color. And I seen like a box. It was too much money, but they have like Baby Shark. And it has Baby Shark all over. And it sings Baby Shark. And I thought it was funny, but I'm not going to pay $20-something for that. So that's for kids. So I picked up that. Then I picked up this Azo. A lot of people recommended this. I never tried this one. I thought this was the prebiotic. But it's not. It's like I guess it's for yeast infections or something. I don't know. I grabbed the wrong one, so I'm going to return this, whatever. I thought it was the probiotic one. I heard the probiotic one was really good for your digestive system. So anyway, I'm just going to return that. And then I picked up this Monistat. It's new. It's a new Monistat Feminine Cleanser. So it's a nice big white bottle. It feels heavy. Never tried it before. I've never seen this before. This was in like your feminine care section. So I just picked that up. No big deal. Then I picked up two of these little, like medium size, Suave. This is a shine conditioner. I think this one has cactus. Yeah, cactus flower. And you can see the cactus. So it's a shine conditioner. It's like a small medium bottle. This was $4 for one small bottle. So I picked that up to give that one a try. And cactus is really good. And then I got the cactus shampoo. And then the last three items I picked up were dish soaps again. Yep, that's it, guys. I bought so much dish soaps as usual. So I picked up the Everspring dish soap. This one is in lavender and bergamot. And I tried these before. I have a lot of the cleaning sprays. They work really good. So I got that one. Then I picked up this one. This one is the mandarin and ginger. And then the last Everspring dish soap I picked up was lemon and mint. Lemon and mint dish soap. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Target. And this was like $40-something. So that's it. That's what I picked up. And I was like I said, I was going to buy more, but they were closing. So anyway, thanks for watching this Target haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. And just be safe out there, guys. Bye.